Example 3. Solve the equation, then check the solution. I'm sorry, did I say 3?
Yes.
Example 7, Catherine. Why'd you make me say 3? All right, example 7. Solve the equation, then check your solution. Tell me again, Cedar, what does solve mean?
Get the variable by itself.
Good. Get the variable by itself. Let me ask you something, Cedar. Right now there's this negative 18.3 being added to z. How do I make the 18.3, the negative 18.3 cancel out?
You add 18.3.
I'm going to add 18.03. Perfect. Then it will cancel. That's what we want. We want it to cancel and go away. But Cedar, if I do it on the left side, I have to do the same exact thing on the right side. So now this is plus 18.03. Okay? Now Cedar, this first part's going to be easy. What happens when I combine these two?
You get 0.
That just cancels out. So what do I have left on this side over here?
Z.
Just z. Exactly. But now I've got this. Negative 14.7 and positive 18.3. Well, what do you think?
We have to subtract 14.7 from
18.03 minus 14.7, right? Remember, when we're adding and subtracting decimals, we always line up the decimal point, okay? Now, when I subtract, what do I get, Cedar? 3, and then what do I have to borrow here, right?
Yeah.
So that turns into a what? 7, and this becomes a 10. 10 minus 7? 3. What's 7 minus 4? 3. 1 minus 1?
0.
So is my answer going to be 3.33 positive, or is it negative 3.33?
Positive.
It's positive because I had more positives, right? So z is equal to 3.33. Now, Casey, let's check it, okay? I'm going to rewrite the original equation, except instead of having the z there, I'm going to put parentheses in its place, okay? So now I've got negative 18.03 plus parentheses equals negative 14.7. And I'm going to stick in what z equals, 3.33. Okay. Now, when I rewrite this, I get negative 18.03 plus 3.33 is equal to negative 14.7. Let's put these two things together. How do I do that, Casey? All right, 18.03 minus 3.33, because they're different signs, one's negative and positive, so we find the difference between their numbers. Isabel, what's 3 minus 3? 0. Good. And what do I need to do for the 0? Borrow, so that becomes a what? And this? What's 10 minus 3? And I need to bring down my decimal. 7 minus 3? 4. And then bring down my 1. So now I've got 14.70, but Casey, is that negative or positive? Exactly, because I had more negatives. So negative 14.70, I just drop off that last 0. Did I get it right?
Yes.
We got it right. Nice job, folks. Z is equal to 3.33. Let's look at the next one. Good job.